Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. These are the major levels that we have marked up. We had marked up in our last pre-market analysis. Nothing much has happened, so we just try to delete all the lines and draw them all over once again as usual. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish, the bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? The low made in August is much higher than the low made in April. So what are the important levels? 80H, which has been tested, I'll mark it up in red. Previous swing high is the immediate support on a monthly time frame. Previous swing low is a support, and then these two monthly candles, the candle of July and August, if you measure the top of the body of July to the bottom of the body of August and find the midpoint of it, it's almost 25,000. That's another support. Why am I doing this? This is an order block. I hypothesize that this is an order block for the next big movement in Nifty. Now going to the weekly time frame, it is bullish. It has been creating higher lows and therefore it is bullish. Any interesting levels? Nothing that I can actually think of. Going to the daily time frame, the daily time frame is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because a low was taken, and when I say taken, I don't insist that there should be a close below it. When it's tested, even a wick would do. So a low was tested and a high was tested, and now it either has to create a lower high to be bearish or a higher low to be bullish. Now what do we have here on a daily time frame? We have a fair value gap that has been created here. Nifty could very well come and test the top of the fair value gap or the bottom of the fair value gap and then fly to give a decisive close above 80H. Now it depends on where Nifty will open. If Nifty opens anywhere in this fair value gap area, then it's a good chance to go long. Going to the 4-hour time frame, it is again bullish on a 4-hour time frame. Any important levels? Nothing that I want to mark up here. On an hourly time frame, it's again bullish on an hourly time frame. Yeah, bullish on an hourly time frame. Anything bad I can look at here? There had been two fair value gaps on an hourly time frame here, and the top of this fair value gap has been tested. So I'll just draw it for reference. This is one, and okay, this is the one on the top. The top of the fair value, the bearish fair value gap had been tested, and that's somewhere Nifty has fallen down, and this low has to be protected for the bullish bias to sustain. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I'll just mark up this low just to say that this low has to be protected. I'll mark it up in a single pixel. Yes. So that is all. Once again, I am not a certified analyst. or an advisor. Everything that is shown here is only for educational purpose. Thank you.